South Korea is globally famous for its massive cultural exports, pioneering technology, world-class cuisine, and seamless fusion of ancient traditions with futuristic living. Known as a Korean wave Hallyu, its cultural influence has transformed the country into one of the world's top trend-setting nations. From global music and fashion to cutting-edge cities and historic royal palaces, South Korea continues to shape modern lifestyle trends across the world. In today's video, we shall guide you through everything you need before visiting this incredible destination, so your journey feels smooth, well-planned, and stress-free. Let's dive in. 1. Why visit South Korea? South Korea offers a rare mix of futuristic cities, deep traditions, and natural beauty packed into one compact country. From high-tech streets filled with lights and digital culture to peaceful temples and mountain landscapes, every region feels different yet connected. The capital city, Seoul, shows modern life at its peak, while coastal cities, volcanic islands, and ancient capitals reveal the country's historical depth. This balance of old and new is what makes South Korea stand out as a complete travel experience. 2. Before you go. Before heading to South Korea, a few smart preparations can make your trip much easier. Entry rules can change depending on nationality, so checking the latest KTA requirements before flying is important to avoid any last-minute issues. Navigation works differently here. Google Maps does not function properly for walking or driving directions, so travelers should download local apps like Naver Map or Kakamap for accurate routes and transport details. Daily life is mostly cashless, with cards and mobile payments accepted almost everywhere. Still, carrying a small amount of cash is useful for topping up a T-Money transport card, since some subway machines do not accept foreign cards. Staying connected is simple, with SIM cards and eSIM options available at airports. Many travelers also use portable Wi-Fi devices for group travel. For translation, the Papago app by Naver is highly recommended, as it reads signs, menus, and images more accurately than most global apps, making communication much smoother during your journey. 3. Top best places to visit in South Korea. Traveling through South Korea creates a journey where modern cities, ancient history, and natural landscapes come together in a smooth and exciting way. One of the most important destinations is Seoul, the capital city, where royal palaces stand close to towering skyscrapers. Here, traditional culture and fast-moving city life exist side by side, giving travelers a chance to experience both old and new in a single place. Walking through historic palaces while wearing traditional clothing adds a deeper connection to Korea's royal past. The journey continues to Busan, a vibrant coastal city known for its sandy beaches, fresh seafood markets, and colorful hillside neighborhoods that face the ocean. It offers a more relaxed atmosphere compared to the capital, with sea views and local street food, creating a lively but peaceful experience. Moving inland, Gyeongju feels like an open-air museum filled with ancient tombs, stone temples, and astronomical sites that reflect the deep history of the Silla Kingdom. Every corner of this city carries traces of early Korean civilization, making it one of the most historically rich destinations in the country. Jeju Island brings a completely different environment, shaped by volcanic activity, natural hiking trails, waterfalls, and calm coastal scenery. It is a place where nature becomes a main attraction, offering a peaceful escape from busy city life. Finally, Jeonju offers a slower and more traditional rhythm, famous for its well-preserved hanok houses and strong food culture that represents Korea's culinary heritage. Each destination together creates a complete picture of South Korea, blending modern energy, deep history, and natural beauty into one unforgettable travel experience. 4. Food you must try. Food in South Korea is rich, flavorful, and deeply connected to everyday life, where meals are designed to be balanced and shared. A typical meal often includes rice, vegetables, soup, and a variety of small side dishes that together create a complete dining experience. One of the most well-known dishes is bibimbap, a mixed rice meal topped with vegetables, egg, and sauce, offering a perfect blend of taste, texture, and tradition in a single bowl. Street food is a major part of Korean culture, especially in busy night markets where the energy stays alive with sizzling grills and food stalls. Popular snacks include rice cakes, skewered meats, fried treats, and sweet desserts, all prepared fresh in front of customers, creating a lively food experience on every corner. In coastal cities like Busan, seafood plays a big role in daily meals, with fresh fish, shellfish, and other ocean dishes enjoyed close to the sea. Food culture in South Korea is also very social, where meals are often shared among family and friends and enjoyed at a relaxed pace. Eating is not just about taste, but about connection, conversation, and shared experience. 5. Things tourists should never do. In South Korea, certain behaviors can feel uncomfortable or inappropriate, so understanding local etiquette is very important for a smooth travel experience. Loud talking or disruptive behavior in public transport, quiet streets, or indoor spaces is generally avoided, as people value calm and order in shared environments. When visiting temples, palaces, or cultural sites, wearing proper and modest clothing is also expected to show respect for tradition. Tipping is not a common practice in restaurants or cafes, and in some situations it may even create confusion, as good service is already considered part of the culture. Another important point is patience in service settings. Instead of interrupting staff while they are busy, it is normal to wait quietly until they are ready to assist you. Respecting these simple cultural habits helps create a smoother and more positive travel experience. It also allows travelers to connect better with local people and understand everyday life in South Korea more naturally. 6. Common tourist mistakes. Many travelers arrive in South Korea without understanding how local navigation systems work and quickly face difficulties because global map apps do not function properly without local support. This often leads to confusion when trying to find routes, stations, or walking directions. Another common mistake is not getting a transport card for subways and buses, which makes daily travel slower and less convenient compared to using the simple tap-and-go system that locals rely on. Some visitors also try to cover too many cities and attractions in a short time, which results in rushed travel and less meaningful experiences at each destination. Instead of enjoying places properly, the trip becomes focused only on moving from one point to another. Others ignore basic cultural etiquette related to dining and public behavior, which can create uncomfortable situations or misunderstandings. In reality, South Korea becomes much easier and more enjoyable when travelers take time to understand the system before arriving. Careful planning, simple research, and a slower travel pace can completely improve the overall experience and help visitors enjoy the country in a more relaxed and meaningful way. 7. Safety tips. South Korea is generally very safe for travelers, but staying aware helps make the journey more comfortable and stress-free. Keep your belongings close in crowded areas like stations, markets, and busy streets, especially during peak travel hours. Public transport is highly reliable and organized, but paying attention to your surroundings still adds an extra layer of safety. Weather can change depending on the season, so checking forecasts before heading to mountains, islands, or outdoor areas is always a smart step. In busy cities, using common sense in late-night areas and staying in well-lit places is usually enough for a smooth experience. Emergency services are efficient, and major cities are well prepared to support tourists if needed. 8. Daily budget. Travel costs in South Korea depend on your travel style and comfort level. Budget travelers can manage a simple trip with affordable street food, hostels, and efficient public transport, usually spending around $50 to $90 per day. This option works well for those who focus more on exploring than luxury stays. Mid-range travel offers more comfort, including good hotels, restaurant dining, and paid attractions, with daily expenses usually between $100 to $200. It provides a balanced experience with convenience and comfort. Luxury travel includes premium hotels, private tours, and high-end experiences, often going beyond $300 per day, especially in major cities like Seoul or popular tourist areas. Costs can vary depending on season, location, and booking choices, so planning ahead helps manage your budget better while traveling. South Korea offers a complete travel experience where modern life, ancient history, and natural landscapes come together in one journey. From Seoul's energy to Jeju's calm nature, every destination adds something different to the experience. With the right preparation, travel here becomes smooth, exciting, and highly memorable. If this guide helped you plan your trip, support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more travel guides and detailed travel tips coming soon.